Hello moms, Nicole here from Mom's Pocket Survival Guide or momspsg.com. Anyways, I'm here with a review today of one of the products that is listed in my survival kit, and truly this is a product I live for. It is called Aquaphor. Now, caveat here, I did put it in the Think Dirty app, and it does come up with a 5, so for those of you who are super EGW conscientious, may not be a product for you. And I'm trying to be better about this, but it was recommended by my doctor, and I am forever a fan because I had a condition called cholestasis of pregnancy, and it makes you super itchy. It's like eczema to the 100th degree, and it lasted 4 months post my delivery, and the only way I could get relief from my skin was using Aquaphor. So for me, it really works. So one, I will say this product is amazing because it has, as you can see, this. Yes, it does have a petroleum base, and that's what gives it the 5 part that's wrong because it's 40% petroleum base, so not the best, but the other ingredients like the mineral oils and things, everything else is a 3 or less. So anyways, love this product. I buy it in a tub to be eco-conscious because one, I'm using less packaging to repeat ordering, so what I do is I buy a big tub of it, use a wooden spoon like this that I got at a health store, and then I put it in a glass jar for on the go. So this is from my Josie Marin makeup kit before that I just cleaned out, sanitized. You can boil the glass jar just to make sure it's clean, and then I can just scoop it out as needed. Because with big tubs, you don't really want to be putting your hands in there. You can transfer bacteria. Anyways, back onto the important stuff. Why is this product so amazing? So if you can look at it, I'll do it from the big jar actually. It's got this great consistency. You can already see it has a little bit of a shine. And it's kind of like sticky, balmy. Yeah, it works as a lip. Also for your eyes, for tightening down those lashes. So that's 1, 2. Put a little bit on your hands, rub it in. Nice hand moisturizer. Also, great for getting those flyaways and making your split ends look like they're not there. And again, those flyaways. Beautiful, beautiful work. Love this stuff for that, and it's always good on the go. It does come in smaller sizes, including little travel ones, but again, like I said, I like to just use my own personal jar. It's great. You can actually use it here on your eyes to help give that dewy look or that wet look. You can mix it with powdered eyeshadow or blush, again, giving you that dewy shine look. I notice when I put it on before I'm going to a wedding or something, my skin just has this gorgeous glow, and I love that. One of the things that recently made me fall in love with it all over again is I had flown out to see my in-laws. My skin got so dry on the way out there that I was like thinking about what can I do for the flight home? And it occurred to me I used to use a balm when I would go skiing as a protectant for my face. And I thought, well, if it gets that dry out there, I bet I could use Aquaphor for the same thing. Sure enough, I put a layer of this gently on my face on top of my makeup, and it just locked in the moisture, and my skin was awesome when I got home back to Portland. So that was great. So I will really be using it for that. If you put a little bit somewhere like here when you put on your makeup or your wrist, a small dab, it helps keep your perfume lasting longer. I know not everybody wears perfumes, but I'm a perfume queen. Now that I no longer sit on a sensory panel, so that's also really nice. Sorry, my eyes are diverting because I had a great list of things that I wanted to list. Oh, feet, elbows, it's great for really healing some of those tough, dry spots. My son recently had a cold, and after cleaning his nose, it got a little raw, and I put some underneath there, and it really helped to heal that up. It also is highly recommended as a baby balm. And let me just check. There was a couple other ones that were really cool things that I was like, wow, this product just keeps going on and on. And so for me, this is a win to have in my survival kit because one product I can take that can be used multiple ways. And there are ways you can take it small, neat, compact. You don't need a ton of it because it really goes a long way. Just a little bit goes a long way. So anyways, back to just showing you the product again. It does come recommended by dermatologists according to the label, but I did actually get it from a dermatologist recommendation at my doctor's office when we were trying to solve the issue of my cholestasis. So, and again, I don't know if I did that well, but you can kind of see here. I'm going to smooth these down, and you can kind of see how it smooths with the Aquaphor. So, thanks for tuning in, guys. That was kind of rough, quick deal with Aquaphor, but again, I highly recommend getting it. You can usually buy it at any of your grocery stores, Walgreens, probably germstore.com, different things like that. And I buy in bulk. Like I said, it's a little more eco to buy in bulk and then put it into my own jars, but also saves me a little bit of cash and not as many wasteful containers. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to learn more about my reviews, do subscribe. And feel free to check out momspsg.com and check out Aquaphor. I think you might like the product. Cheers, guys.